Please let me get in. Welcome back. FOMC happened today. We have a lot to catch up on. I literally wanted to start up stream, then take these shorts, and then they just played out. So we're gonna be focusing on the gold today. Nasdaq's just not really moving. I mean, we're stuck in this like 8-point range. I don't want to, unless something breaks out, I don't want to touch scope. Oh, I guess I would have been a tick off, but damn it! FOMC, what happened today? Let's recap. It's pretty freaking wild, actually. Like, look at this. FOMC candle came out. We got our 25 basis cut. Came up almost 1100 ticks. Came down. Next candle. Boom! 320 ticks on gold. And then the same candle, we came all the way back up and then some. Damn, here's the dump that I wanted. And then, you know, as Jerome was talking and going on, we just started slowly coming back down. But it is chill. Gold has pretty much consolidated since then and then started moving once Asia session started opening back up. We just... Actually, I don't know what we just did, but it's new hour candle, 6 o'clock candle, 9 o'clock candle. Honestly, I am just trading this take profit trader account, as you guys can see right here. Bada bing. If we can get a top wick here, I think I would actually take these sells, looking for, you know, the bottom of the range. Yeah. What does this look like on the hard? Yeah. Top wick, top wick. Oh, come on. Give me a wick. Give me a wick. How many points is that? That was our advantage right there. This little candle fill down here, that was our advantage point. Kind of just missed it. If this reflips back up and we start building more structure, I think I could look for the shorts again. But the fact that we came down, tapped our liquidity, it's kind of sad. If it had come up here, retapped our level, and then come down, would have been a much better trade. So now we wait again. But at least we're moving. Oh my goodness, what the NQ? Bro. You take those longs? Sheesh. That's a perfect bounce. A little 20-point bounce. Gold, yeah. I mean, that's good. Doji candle's a good sign right there. I'm not even gonna lie. It's just kind of unfortunate that we missed our. I literally wanted to short right here as this candle closed and we rebroke here. I was like, please, but I think I literally just bought this account, so it was still loading, and I was like trying to get stream up. But it's okay because you'll miss some of the trades you want to take. I really hope this EDM mix is no copyright, because if it does have copyright, I'll be a little sad, low key. Damn, dude. I literally looked at this as like, nope, and it just goes. Pop! 20 points. I would have loved 20 points. Yeah, honestly, I could see this rip lower. Aiming for down here is be pretty insane. Let me see how big is that. 20. That would literally half this account. Oh, I don't need to be on 5. Yeah, I did full port 1 account on FOMC. Damn. Maybe that was the play right there. But now We're getting a 5-minute closure below in 1 minute, so maybe if we can close on the 5, then get a top wick, that'll be our... I mean, our target would be literally previous day low. Just like looking at that last time we broke down here on a bearish, like we broke out a little bit, but now, and we failed, came up, grabbed more liquidity, and now we're breaking back down again. I don't know, I kind of like it. And then I could have stops at 36. Let's see how this 5 closes. Ooh, the one for me, that's what I give you everything. I'm sorry, seems like the world to me. Let's see what happens. 5 is now making a top wick. Maybe if we reflip this, we take a sell here, and then we go for previous day lows down. Is this previous day low? That's not previous. This is previous day lows. This would be this. Be a deep drop. Oh, damn! It tapped me. All right, I guess we're in. All right, let's go gold. Let's dump it. There we go. All right, I'm gonna trail the stop. We're at 20 points. I'm gonna lock in. Oh, let's go. Keep dumping. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Trailing real tight here. Real tight. Real tight. Deeper. Go, go, go. Get down there! Woo! Let's go! Dump it! Let's go just like that. 30 ticks. Oh, let's go. Look at that. Exactly how we said it would play out. Alright, closure below our level at 36.95. Waited for the 5-minute instead of getting in right here. 5-minute opened up top wick to the dot right here. Where did we get in? We got in at 3693.3. Short position 3693.3. This was the reflip of the 5-minute candle. And boom, we locked in 33 pips. Or 33 ticks. Yeah, I mean, if I was taking micros, I would have just, I would have, taken partials and put the rest at BE, but I mean, that was just a clean trade. I don't know what else to say. I was just clean. Hey, ain't nothing wrong with 33 pips, my guy. Yeah, look at NQ though. Sheesh. Oh yeah, the only thing I'm missing here is Ikitai. I mean, Ikitai just kind of shows me the same levels that I already have anyways, so you know, it's kind of... That was a dub. That was straight dubs right there. Should I add a text box? Like, trades? I don't want to chat. How did I do this? Text. Add source. Add a new source. I'm gonna call this trades. Add. And then trades on GC sells 3693.3 to, what is that, 3690.0 plus 33 ticks. Plus 33 ticks. Oh, I kind of like that. And I'll put it right here. Yeah. Or put it right here. Yeah. Now we just wait. We wait patiently. But yeah, we can go over FOMC. So, it's kind of obvious insider trading was happening the minute before. We don't usually see call option premiums jump in like this, especially not right before a major news event. So the second I saw this candle, I was like, yeah, we're gonna pump. I was on my Tradeify accounts. I think I full ported 5 contracts and passed another one of my growth accounts, so it was lit. I need to get this fucking ugly ass text. $95. Get off. Oh, okay, that's a little too transparent. Let's go 80. Perfect. We took a huge sell-off. Pretty much came all the way down to previous all-time highs. Actually, no, not pretty much. We did, and we broke it. Came down to another level at 24,250, and that's where we just boom rocketed back up over 300 points. Like, this is crazy, right? NQ's volatility this past week has been so bad. I've been saying left and right, like, be patient, guys. Be patient. Be patient. Be patient. Like, the trades will come, right? But prior to FOMC, everyone's like, what's gonna happen? Is Jerome gonna do this? Is Jerome gonna do that? All we had to do is just wait, let Jerome say what he wants to do, and then trade accordingly, right? Oh, actually, I think this place would be better. Yeah. And boom. This is not financial advice, this is just literally my opinion, right? What did Jerome say during his press conference? He said the Fed's narrative, the Fed's job, control inflation and maintain a healthy job market. And he basically said today, he was like, the Fed was having trouble. Why was the Fed having trouble? Because by cutting rates, the Fed has to fight against it. Cutting rates is not good for inflation, but cutting rates is good for the job market, right? So he's saying they're confused because the choice and the decision that they have to make is difficult, right? Do you risk inflation going back up at the stake of our job market? And what he basically came out and said was, when you look at their target for both the job market and current inflation data, he's saying the job market is further from where they want it to be, and that's why they went ahead with the rate cuts. Now he didn't really speak too much on inflation, but he did say that, like, relative to, to their position at their target goals at the Fed, he's like, the inflation rate is closer to their target, so they chose to cut rates, right? That's strictly for the job market. I think overall we still look crazy bullish. If I switch over here on the 4-hour time frame, like, it doesn't get more bullish than that, right? In terms of, like, looking at a 4-hour chart, we slowly trickle down, a lot of uncertainty, a lot of unease, because let's be real, right? The market can say whatever they want. They can think, oh, we have 100%, we're guaranteed a rate cut, we're gonna get a rate cut no matter what. They can say all they want, they can believe all they want, but that's not exactly what's gonna happen. And today Jerome said, no, Us at the Fed, I think there was only one person who was against more rate cuts. Everybody else agreed that, by the end of this year, we'll have another rate cut. The Fed needs 7 out of 12 votes in order to, get this through. So what does that say for our outlook? It says our outlook to get more rate cuts, at least before the end of this year, is high. Initial reaction, literally straight off that pump, or straight off that news drop, was boom, initial spike up. And then as Jerome started talking, as Powell started talking, right here at around 11:30, we start, kind of trickling down. It's kind of volatile, of course. It's what you would expect during, a major speech, the FOMC speech, right? It's always a little choppy, but it's always very volatile. And then boom, we came down, tested our level right here, and we started bouncing. We had this inversion right here, and the rest was history, right? The rest was just boom, straight up. What does this mean for tomorrow? Probably tomorrow's going to be a bullish day, but something you have to consider, something you actually have to think about is like, now people have all night, have time. They're not stressed about, executing. They just have time to think about their trades for tomorrow, to think about what this means for the economy and how they want tomorrow to play out. And by doing this tomorrow, the way that people think, they might talk to each other, they might get like a general consensus of what this actually means for the market, and they might say, they might all go in tomorrow with the idea, with the intention of selling off. We don't know that, right? That's the things that we see at the market when it opens. So I think New York Open tomorrow is going to be crazy. I mean, Asia Open was too, right? Like, when you look at here at Asia Open at 6, boom, look at that. Initial spike up, and then boom, manipulation like down. If this is really a manipulation move and we come back down here, maybe to 24,530, we can see if we continue lower. If we break and hold, we'll come down, boom, 24,490. I mean, the ultimate retest is going to be on that 4-hour wick test, right? We saw on that 4-hour chart right here, we had a massive wick coming down to 24,250. That could, I'm not saying it will be, that could be a target for tomorrow. Say we do the same thing, right? We come down, we sweep the level, and then we bounce back up, or we come down, we sweep the level, and we continue lower. Why? Again, this is the things that we're saying. We're just waiting. We're letting the people who basically control the market decide how they want to trade this, right? Now they have all the information they need and more for, what they can expect over the next 2 months, because it's all fresh, and now they have time to digest it, to see what they want to do. And yeah. I mean, yeah, that was a pretty good short on gold too. Yeah, I mean, my stops would have been chilling, and then we would have got the full sweep at liquidity at 50. But I mean, if you're up 33 ticks, you might as well take 33 ticks. You know what I'm saying? But I mean, it's the same thing, right? We basically just came right back up to that same level, and then boom, rejected. I don't care. I am monetized. Ain't no DFCA on a non-monetized channel. The fuck? A little bit of a headache, but it's okay. We're just gonna see. I usually like seeing what happens to like 7:30 on gold, so I usually just watch it. Gold fucking moves during Asia, bro. Us Chinese people love gold, so you can already imagine what they love trading. Look at that. Look at the 6:30 move yesterday. Look at that dump, dude. It's crazy. Yeah, I know. When I saw this wick, I was like, dude, that is absolutely. I think this happens every single time with gold. Every single time we have an FOMC, we make a crazy candle up, we go down, make a massive wick, and then go right back up, and then right back down. But look at all that liquidity that is swept out. Like, look at that. It's literally insane. And now, yeah. Sure. I mean, 33 ticks in like a minute is pretty good, I would say. 41 seconds. That is more money than I would make working, you know? Yeah, honestly, if I were to play options, I'm looking at Tesla right now. Never mind. Let me go back to the gold chart. Stocks. Oh shit. Save. Yeah, let me show y'all. Dude, Tesla looks juiced. Like, look at the Tesla chart, dude. We're level here, 42.5, which we kind of held after, you know, that initial sell-off. Dude, look at, you cannot tell me this doesn't look great. 11:30 or 11, you get the news drop, we drop down like 3%. If you had longed there at 412, dude, game over. But now that we're holding 425, if we look at the 4-hour chart and go back to when Tesla was at all-time highs, right? Look at what happens every time right here. We break and we hold 425. Look at this. Moonshot to all-time highs, 12%. Moonshot, 8%. The only time it didn't was a few times right here where, but you still cleared 425 to 430, even all the way up to 439. So it's like, it's straight gains right there. If Tesla holds this overnight move at 429 and say we open at the market tomorrow, make a sweep of the lows, we could literally see Tesla straight shot $10 into 439 and above. Who knows, right? Elon Musk, say what you want about the guys, whatever. I don't really care all that political stuff, but like, Elon Musk is one of the craziest CEOs we have ever seen. One of the most dedicated, one of the most hardworking CEOs we have ever seen. I mean, and this is a testament to that, right? Let's look at Tesla. Tesla, if I go on the weekly chart, look at where he brought this company, being the CEO, from 2019 at $16 a share all the way up to 460. Dude sleeps in the office, dude does all this. He deserves it, right? Like, Tesla's chart looks crazy, but I mean, it's one of the giga cap companies, you know? Is this a gold reversal? But yeah, how'd you guys do on FOMC? I saw a lot of people get smoked in this volatility. Like, smoked. Oh yeah, we can go in. I mean, it's still kind of early. Today was kind of wild actually. We kind of like had this like open. I was asleep for almost all of this, by the way. Opened up, came down. What is this? Like 70 points, bounced back, chopped, and then we just kind of like slowly dumped. And then, you know, towards FOMC, creeped up the 4-hour chart. I mean, the 4-hour chart looks great. I don't know. There's really not much there. I already kind of went over it, but I'm just looking here. Let me pull up the 4-hour, right? Look at what we're retesting, you know, higher highs, higher lows, still higher high, higher low. We had a massive wick. Massive wick. I will say the one thing that we see with these wicks is like when we make them like this, we usually retest them at some point. Oh man, can I hide this for a second? But like, can I find where we made a wick like that? Even like, yeah, see the bullish wick? So we come down, we get a 50% wick test, or like, I mean, this was a bearish day, so I mean, it might be different, but bullish day, we came up next, a few days later, boom, came down, not really to the 50%, but I don't know, I just think there's a lot of room to the downs. I mean, there's a good opportunity for a liquidity grab on the 4-hour chart, but you know, that those are usually take days, take weeks to play out, so. Yeah, I mean, this is bullish, right? All-time highs is inevitable at this point, especially with all those orders, all the short orders that we grabbed down here. Like, we're just primo juiced for the all tizzles. I'm trying to trade on Replicanto, dude, it's so weird. I don't think I'll ever get used to like not trading on Tradeify. I mean, Tradeivate. It's just, it's so. I feel like Tradeivate is so smooth, so perfect, and it's like every time I use any of the other ones, any of the other, TopStep X has gotten better. TopStep has gone a lot better, or Project X, but like, dude, it's insane. The fills are so clean, so crisp on Tradeivate. Oh. But yeah, I digress. Yeah, I like take profit a lot. It's just kind of the idea is like a lot of the firms are gonna have you to have a profit split anyways of like 80% or 90%. Take profit will literally let you get paid every day if you're above the buffer, so it's like I feel like any prop firm trader's gotta try for a few take profit accounts, especially if you're profitable. It's literally the best account in the business. And their live rules are insane. I think you're shooting yourself in the foot if you don't get take profit accounts. If you're profitable. If you're profitable, okay? There's like, there's much cheaper prop firms out there that you can learn on, so just remember that. YM? I don't usually trade YM. I just have the chart here just to see. Top four? These are my top four. Right here. I just want to trade with Apex again one day. I know it's a whole lot of yapping, I'm sorry. But it's like, what can you do? Trading is pretty slow during these hours, you know? I'm also juiced up on caffeine, so it's like, hey, yo. The market looks great. I don't know what you're talking about. Currently, I'm with a lot of firms, actually. I'm with My Funded Futures, Funding Ticks, Tradeify, or those are the ones I'm trading, and Top Step. And now Take Profit. Take Profit, I was just like, I don't know if I'm ready for the intraday trailing drawdown again, dude. It gets to me. It gets me so bad. That's fucked. That's actually fucked. Town, is to Taiwan, around the world, protect your soul. Heroes tonight, rise up from the sky. Heroes tonight. The sky and our heroes tonight. Ba-da-dum, bum bum ba-dum bum ba-da-da-dum bum 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 ba-da-bum bum bum bum. Asia. No, I think Asia session can be clean. I think when Asia session does move, it's clean. From time to town, go nothing to Taiwan. The globe around to protect your soul. Dude, there's no way this is no copyright. There's actually no way. This is like the whole ass song. This is copyright free music. That's crazy. Out on the sky. I mean, it's kind of just chopped. I mean, this was a move that was coming off a big play, but now it's just kind of like nowhere. I mean, if we break out of this range, I think we look good. Let's go back to gold, right? My original target, I wanted to see us retest low of day, but now I don't really have an entry here since we're just kind of ranging. Unless I take this 5-minute bear flag break. That just got bought right back up, never mind. Just kidding. This is solid. This is solid days one. I mean, I'll trade it again tomorrow, so, you know. It's good trades. Good trades. Probably to like 7:30. It's probably when I'll stop. I gotta do some shizzles. So let me see. Because if I call it here, I mean, it might just be the move because I already kind of have my hit for the day. I mean, that was like it was literally start stream, hit a banger trade. I'm like, I don't know. Let me see what time to close. No, I need to go to the gym, homie. Open till 11. Oh, perfect. Okay, yeah, I can do till 7:30, and then I'll dip. Sheesh, sheesh, sheesh. I think this is the music I need when I'm streaming. It's low-key kind of good. But yeah, I just posted a trade in my Discord. I mean, here's the levels for gold, right? I mean, it's like you have when gold is moving, gold is fucking moving, and that's the one thing I love about gold. Let me get out of this, please. Okay, so that's no longer all-time highs. Awesome. But yeah. It's kind of why I like trading gold, you know? Especially during Asia, like gold moves a lot more than NQ. So, hmm? What do you mean? Think, like in terms of yeah. I'm literally about to make a video about the different prop firm platforms. So like Tradeovate, Project X, Quant Tower, etc., etc. So I think the board on the things other than metals may be over. Oh, yeah, I kinda agree. I want to see downside. With how high the put options are. I mean, if coming off of this right here, this little move down of like 100 ticks, I would have expected like a much faster drop, not for it to range through here, even though it's like a 60 tick range, which is pretty insane. Yeah, that's kind of crazy to think about. Like playing this range, okay, 50 tick range is like That's insane. Like one mini contract, that's pretty crazy. This is 500 500 up down up down up down. Bum, bum. Yeah. I mean, we'll see. At this point, I'm waiting. Oh, are we gonna flip? Are we gonna flip the MACD? Are we finally gonna drive? Nitty. Bum, 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 bum. Fire setting around me. It's alright. Yeah, it's pretty quiet because I mean nothing's really happening right now. Whew. Look at that same bounce. No, this would have been good too. 9-5 to 9. Sheesh. Sheesh, sheesh. No, I wouldn't trade this. I would need to see a breakout, you know? But usually when it's like consolidating like this, is usually a pretty good sign that something's about to happen. I need to see what that is. And it's the same level from earlier, right? Or not from, it is from earlier. Same exact place we're finding buyers. So maybe if we can like close below, break below this level right here, we can get a move down to the 680s, which is like a 70 tick move. That's what I want to see. It's really what I want to see. No, it's good. It's good. But I just imagine being stuck in this chop, buying in at the top or the or selling at the bottom. Fuck no, dude. No, it's just what I do, low key. Whenever I have time to stream, I'm gonna try to stream, do what I gotta do, and then yeah, I have more content shit to start making. So it's just like I just keep getting busier and busier. I'm trying to make it out, gang. I'm trying so hard. Now I remember when I was watching FOMC when it dropped earlier, I was like, "Oh man, look at gold. That's a crazy wick. I wonder if I should buy it." And I think like somewhere around here at 3,700, I was like, "Nah, that's a crazy long." And then little did I know, I could have gotten the next candle. Next candle would have given me like 30 ticks drawdown, but that flip would have been almost literally 100 ticks. On ES, let me see. 6620. Oh wait, no, rising wedge. What the fuck? Oh no. Same here, just don't know. Can you take me higher? Now look at this NQ pump, bro. Like this is... Where's Tory trades at? Sheesh! Look at that trend line. Sheesh! I think... No shit talk, no shit talk. I think this would have been an A+ setup right here, guys. A+. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 touch points. No, I'm fucking. I don't know how to fuck. Look at that sheep, dog. Look at that 7 touch point trend line. The uppity ups. Trading's that easy. Just draw your trend lines, guys. Nah, I'm fucking with y'all. It was super clean, straight off the level too. Oh, that's ES. My bad. I mean, NQ was pretty clean too. Pretty much the same thing. Boom, straight off the level. 60 million point trend line. Tap, and then retesting all-time highs, rejecting 20 points. It's huge. No, nah. I mean, if we just keep chopping, like, there's no point. I need to see a breakout if I'm gonna take something. NQ just closed above previous all-time highs. In the ocean, try not fear to sorrow. Ocean, born in tomorrow. Which platform? I trade on Tradeovate. For stream, I'm gonna try to stick to Tradeovate, but when I'm copy trading, I use NinjaTrader, and then I also really like Project X. So basically all of them except Rhythmic. I hate Rhythmic platforms. Just good. You got any questions about platforms? I can answer literally almost all of them. But yeah, I love Tradeovate. I think the fills on Tradeovate are absolutely amazing, especially if you're copy trading. It's a great psych level. Yeah. Oh no, my music. Ah, copyright free music. This is perfect. Yeah, the only thing I don't really like about Tradeovate is like you can customize like the appearance, but you can't really do much else with it. You know, you're kind of like there's no like custom settings. There's no like even the drawing tools. These are archaic, right? Like if I want to draw a horizontal line, just give me a full horizontal line. You know, why do I have to click and do this? Like this is horrible. Unless there's a way to do it and I just don't know, but it's like horrible. Absolutely horrible. Look, I can so he's like, yeah, I can get a trend channel. Oh, that is weird. Oh, I didn't know you could do this. Oh, what? Remove all drawings. Making me stronger. 7. It's a new 4-hour candle. Let's see how we move. So far, a whole lot of nothing. It's pretty good. Dude, there's just no way this is copyright free. How is that even possible? What? These are like whole ass songs. Whatever. Not monetized anyway. But yeah, I mean, we just been stuck in this range literally for almost an hour. Like, this is crazy. Even for gold's sake, like, this is crazy. I don't even think Nasdaq's doing anything. We're just chopping around up here at all previous all-time highs. You know what is doing something though? The fucking Nikkei, dog. Look at the fucking Nikkei. Shit, 250? That's insane. I've never traded this shit, no. And I do not plan on it. Nice. We love those. 15 points a day keeps the poverty away. We'll go. Oh. I just know highways and none will go. Get me out of this range. Ties. Tight, hold tight. Tight, hold tight. Been only 'cause of you. Paint the skies. Only you can make NQ move. Me move. Me move. I'm so sorry. Not really. Make me We just need to make NQ move, please. I mean, if I get 20 DMCA strikes, whatever. I think this is more entertaining when there's music. It might make me a little like button happy, but I'm like, I've been good so far. Low key. I've been good. Are we gonna break out of this range? Please. Lights. Yeah, here's the level. I'm basically trying to. I want us to. I can draw a box on here, right? Polygon? Huh? Oh, shapes. I basically want us to get out of this range. Even though the range is fat. Make me move. Damn, now we broke VWAP. We broke our level at 36.95. Damn, this is a new 5-minute candle though. Alright, let's see what happens. Let's see. We got VWAP. The V-Wizzle. Breaking above a level is good news. Last time we did this, we got a tiny push-up, right? Boom, broke up. Hit almost 30 ticks. But if we can get a retest on the level and then start going back up, that would be an even better confirmation. Awesome. Damn, maybe I should have just sent it. Too philosophical. Mm-hmm. Alright, here's that retest we were talking. Let's see if we'll continue back up or if this 5 is gonna flip and continue lower. This is a new 5. Closed above, which is good. We have a wick, which is good. Closed above, that's good. Closed above VWAP, that's good. People still buy with the market. Agreed. And there it is. Dang it! I missed it again. Bum, 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 bum. Damn, this would have been a good one. Oh, it's actually unlucky. I got scared, I'm not gonna lie. Stops at the previous candle low. Highs, or vantage point is the wick right here, 224. Total TP is this target. This would have been what? Take profits, and then stops to BE. Likewise. Hope you're having a good night. Bum, 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 bum. Yeah, I know, I have to make my analysis video later, and then we'll be chilling. I go to the gym, make my analysis video, make some more content, and call it a day. Wake up for tomorrow, do some trades. Yeah, I don't know. I don't think we're gonna get another move. I missed it. I actually missed it. What is this? 26. I don't know. I got trigger shy. Yeah. Yeah. Hard on prop firms when most people oversize. No, that would be insane. Nah, that would be crazy. What the fuck? Agreed. I didn't used to believe in stops, but now I do. The only thing you can true. Bum, 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 bum. Yeah, not as crazy as last night. Last night was a lot crazier in terms of like moves. Oh, we did it here too. Yeah, I mean, I wouldn't be surprised if we just kept going up for the rest of the day. ES, I'm guessing also pumping. We have all-time highs at 66.89, a little higher actually. Let me redraw ES. Seems like I don't even have the right fucking all-time high level. I don't. Boop 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 boop. There we go. That is weird. Why is that not a... Why is there no all-time high levels here? Why are they all red? This is also previous all-time highs. I'm guessing this too? What the hell? Oh, what just happened? Oh, nothing. Yeah, I'm not really sure why these were labeled differently. I can leave it at that, honestly. Interesting. I mean, we're literally so close to all-time highs again. What's all-time highs on NQ? 2467? Yeah. I mean, we're pretty much there. So, here we go to the top! That would be crazy. A sweep all-time high and then dump? That would be crazy. Alright, I think I'm gonna call it here. Um, that was just, I mean, we had a long opportunity right here on NQ, but I didn't really see it for 12 points. Caught a quick trade, literally, like, I want to say right as I started my stream for 33 ticks on gold. That's gonna be the only trade we have today. W, thank you guys for showing up. Appreciate all y'all always. Gonna go ahead and go to the gym, get ready for tomorrow. I'll have my levels posted in my Discord. You know, tap in.